Have you ever spent hours running a full STAAD design check only to realize that you just needed results for few members? What if I told you there is a simple trick in STAAD that saves times and gives you design checks only for the members you actually want? See, in STAAD, we often use the command check code all. And what does that do? See, it checks all the members of your model against the design code that you have selected. But here is the catch. See, sometimes you don't want to check everything. For example, maybe you only want to check the beams of one floor or only the columns of the certain bay. Now see, running code check for all the members will not only increase analysis time but also makes the output unnecessarily long and confusing. So how do we fix this? See, that's where group command in STAAD comes into play. So let's understand the solution, how you can follow this. Create a group in STAAD. Now see, you can do this by going to utilities, create a group. Now let's say you want to select a few beams and create a group. Let's name it test. Now in step 2, you can go to the STAAD editor part. Now here in the editor point at the end, you will find this particular syntax name check code all. Now what you just need to do in step 3 is replace that particular line with the following syntax: check code member underscore test. So basically that test is the name of that group that you have defined for the specific member whose result you want to check in the output. And that's it. Now STAAD will only perform the code check for the members inside the test group. So now let's check out this particular segment in the STAAD model. Imagine you are designing a particular building like this, as you can see on the screen. Now you only want to check the mezzanine floor columns for your particular design code. Now instead of checking the entire building, just create a group named mezzanine 1, as you can see over here. Assign the ground floor column members or the particular members you want. Here I have specified my members of particular floor and use the syntax in the STAAD editor as check code member mezzanine. So you can provide this in the STAAD editor, and this way your results are focused, clean and quick. So this small trick can save your hours of frustration and help you to focus on what really matters in your design. So if this tip make your STAAD workflow easier, drop a like and share it with your structural engineering friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I share practical engineering tips like this every week to make your STAAD journey smoother. And let me know in the comments which design code do you use most often in STAAD. It's Indian, AISC or the British code. Stay tuned and remember, don't just learn software, learn concepts. Thank you.